Ever feel unusually tired or notice your feet swelling up? These might be signs that your kidneys, which work hard every day to keep you healthy, need a little extra help. Welcome to our guide on natural kidney care. Today, we're focusing on 7 amazing herbs that can support your kidney health. These aren't just any plants. They're nature's own way of helping your kidneys do their job better. Whether you're looking to boost your energy or give your kidneys the support they need, these herbs could be just what you're looking for. Let's get to know these 6 super herbs and find out how they can help keep your kidneys and you feeling great. Herb 1, Hawthorn. All right, let's kick off with our first hero herb, Hawthorn. You might have seen this as a thorny shrub in gardens, but did you know it's packed with health benefits? It's not just a plant. It's a centuries-old remedy for heart and now kidney health. Benefits of Hawthorn for kidney health. So why is Hawthorn good for your kidneys? Think of it as a gym trainer for your blood circulation. Better blood flow means your kidneys get all they need to filter out waste efficiently. It's like giving them a boost to do their job better. And those little red berries? They're full of flavonoids, nature's antioxidants. These help fight off the daily damage from toxins and reduce inflammation. It's like a protective armor for your kidneys against the daily stress they face. How to use Hawthorn for optimal benefits. Getting Hawthorn into your daily life is pretty straightforward. Have you tried Hawthorn tea? It's a cozy, kidney-friendly beverage. Just steep the dried berries or leaves in hot water, and you're good to go. If tea isn't your thing, there are supplements too. But remember, moderation is key. And if you're already taking heart or blood pressure meds, a quick chat with your doctor before starting Hawthorn is a smart move. Now that we've got Hawthorn covered, are you ready to meet our next kidney-loving herb? This one's a natural detox champ and has been a favorite in traditional remedies for ages. It's known for its cleansing powers. Herb 2, Burdock Root. Moving on to our second herb, let's talk about Burdock Root. It might not be the star of your kitchen, but in the world of herbal remedies, it's a real MVP. This unassuming root has been a staple in traditional medicine for ages and for good reason. Benefits of Burdock Root for kidney health. So why should your kidneys love Burdock Root? First off, it's a natural detoxifier. Think of it as a gentle broom, sweeping through your kidneys to help them get rid of all the unwanted stuff. It's packed with antioxidants, which means it helps fight inflammation and protects your kidneys from damage. Plus, it's known for its diuretic properties. It helps increase urine output, which is a natural way for your kidneys to flush out toxins. How to use Burdock Root for optimal benefits. Incorporating Burdock Root into your life is easier than you might think. You can find it as a tea. Just brew it up and enjoy a cup of kidney-friendly goodness. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, you can add the root itself to soups and stews. Just a heads up, start with small amounts, as its diuretic effects are pretty strong. And as always, if you're on any medication, especially diuretics, a quick check with your doctor is a good idea. With Burdock Root's detoxifying powers in our toolkit, let's get ready to uncover our next herb. This one's a bit of a secret weapon for kidney health and has been used for centuries in herbal teas. It's known for its soothing properties. Herb 3, Uva Ursi. Next up on our herbal journey is Uva Ursi, a lesser-known gem in the world of natural remedies. This small shrub, with its distinctive bearberry fruit, has been a hidden treasure in herbal medicine for centuries. Benefits of Uva Ursi for kidney health. Why is Uva Ursi a friend to your kidneys? Well, it's known for its urinary tract benefits. It acts like a natural cleanser, helping to flush out harmful bacteria and reduce inflammation in the urinary tract. This is great for your kidneys because a healthy urinary tract means less stress on these vital organs. Uva Ursi also contains compounds that help soothe and repair the urinary tract lining, making it a gentle yet effective supporter for kidney health. How to use Uva Ursi for optimal benefits. Using Uva Ursi is pretty straightforward. It's most commonly taken as a tea. Just steep the leaves in hot water and enjoy. It has a mild, pleasant taste and can be a soothing part of your daily routine. Remember, Uva Ursi is potent, so it's best used in moderation and not recommended for long-term, continuous use. As always, if you have any health conditions or are on medication, especially for the kidneys or urinary tract, it's wise to consult your healthcare provider first. With Uva Ursi's natural urinary tract support covered, let's gear up for our next herb. This one's not just a kitchen favorite, but also a kidney health booster. It's been used in both cooking and traditional medicine for its unique benefits. Herb 4, Horsetail. Now, let's turn our attention to Horsetail. This ancient herb, resembling the tail of a horse, has been around since the time of the dinosaurs. But it's not just its age that's impressive, it's the range of health benefits it offers, especially for the kidneys. Benefits of horsetail for kidney health. Horsetail is like a natural tonic for your kidneys. It's known for its diuretic properties, which means it helps your body get rid of excess water and flush out toxins through urine. This is super helpful for keeping your kidneys clean and functioning well. Plus, horsetail is rich in antioxidants and minerals, particularly silica, which supports the repair and maintenance of kidney tissues. It's like giving your kidneys a helping hand in staying strong and healthy. How to use horsetail for optimal benefits. Incorporating horsetail into your daily routine can be as simple as sipping on some tea. You can brew horsetail leaves to make a refreshing, kidney-supporting drink. Just remember, with horsetail, moderation is key, as overuse can be counterproductive. And if you're on medication, especially diuretics or for kidney issues, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding horsetail to your regimen. With horsetail's ancient wisdom for modern kidney health, are you ready to discover our next herb? This one is a bit of a superstar in the world of detox and has a rich history in herbal medicine. It's known for its powerful cleansing properties. Herb 5, Juniper Berries. Let's shift our focus to juniper berries, the small but mighty fruits of the juniper bush. These berries are more than just a flavoring for gin. They're packed with health benefits, particularly for the kidneys. Benefits of juniper berries for kidney health. Juniper berries are like a natural boost for your kidney function. They have diuretic properties, which means they help promote urine production, aiding your kidneys in flushing out toxins more efficiently. This can be especially beneficial if you're dealing with water retention. Additionally, these berries are rich in potent compounds that help combat inflammation and bacterial infections in the urinary tract. This not only supports kidney health, but also helps maintain a healthy urinary system overall. How to use juniper berries for optimal benefits. Using juniper berries is quite simple. You can make tea by steeping the dried berries in hot water. It's a warming, slightly spicy drink that's great for kidney health. Another way is to use them in cooking, adding a unique flavor to your dishes. However, it's important to use them in moderation, as they're quite potent. And as always, if you're pregnant, nursing, or have any existing kidney issues, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding juniper berries to your diet. Now that we've explored the wonderful benefits of juniper berries, let's prepare to dive into our next herb. This one is not only a favorite in herbal teas, but also known for its soothing effects on the kidneys. It's a herb that has been cherished for centuries in various cultures. Herb 6, Gravel. As we near the end of our herbal journey, let's explore gravel root, a lesser-known but highly effective herb for kidney health. Also known as Joe Pye weed, this plant has deep roots in Native American herbal medicine, especially for urinary and kidney ailments. Benefits of gravel root for kidney health. Gravel root stands out for its ability to assist in dissolving kidney stones. It's like a natural remedy that helps gravel away these stones, easing discomfort and preventing future formations. Beyond this, its diuretic properties are great for flushing out toxins from the kidneys, keeping them clean and functioning smoothly. Gravel root also contains compounds that soothe inflammation in the urinary tract, which is beneficial for both kidney and bladder health. How to use gravel root for optimal benefits. Adding gravel root to your daily regimen can be simple. You can enjoy it as a tea, which is both soothing and beneficial for kidney health. Alternatively, gravel root tinctures are available for a more concentrated approach. easily added to water. Remember, moderation is important, and it's always wise to consult with your healthcare provider before using gravel root, especially if you have existing kidney or liver conditions. With the natural powers of gravel root revealed, we're now ready to wrap up our exploration of these incredible kidney-supporting herbs. In our exploration, we've uncovered 6 powerful herbs, each offering unique support for your kidneys. From the circulation-enhancing Hawthorn to the detoxifying Burdock Root, the urinary tract-friendly Uva Ursi, the mineral-rich Horsetail, the cleansing Juniper Berries, and finally, the kidney stone-dissolving Gravel Root. Each herb brings its own special benefits to help maintain and improve kidney health. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health insights. And if you're interested in boosting your brain health, check out our video, Improve Focus and Memory with these 5 foods on Healthonic. It's packed with tips on foods that can enhance your memory and focus. Click here to watch and continue your journey towards better health. Thank you for joining us on this herbal journey. We hope you found valuable insights and inspiration to support your kidney health naturally. Stay curious, stay healthy, and remember, nature has a wealth of remedies waiting to be explored. Take care and be well. Disclaimer: please note that the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. While these herbs are known for their health benefits, they should not replace professional medical advice or treatment. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new dietary supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medication. Individual results may vary, and it's crucial to approach any new health regimen responsibly. This content is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.